Hello dear students, my name is 𝐂𝐊𝐊𝐿𝐻 and I am your EVS teacher. So students, we started our chapter 5 flowers everywhere and we talked about different kind of flowers in part 1. We talked about rose flower, we talked about sunflower and again after that we talked about lotus flower. So let's continue with this chapter and let's see what Khushi is going to see next. Khushi was moving forward when a honeybee approached her and said, Khushi, you were playing and running after the butterfly. Play with me also. So, here in this part, we are going to talk about honeybee. So, the part is about honeybee. Honeybee is nice. So, Khushi was moving forward and a honeybee approached her and asked Khushi that Khushi, you were playing and running after the butterfly. So, honeybee was watching Khushi and it said that you were playing and running after the butterfly. Play with me also. So, honeybee was asking Khushi to play with her. So, here you can see in this picture there is a honeycomb filled with honey. I hope you must have seen honeycomb. तो आपने मधुमक्खी का छत्ता जरूर देखा होगा. उसी मधुमक्खी के छत्ते की आज हम बात कर रहे हैं. So see what happens next when honeybee asked Khushi to play with her. What Khushi replied? Arey, who are you, friend? Who makes this buzzing sound? Khushi smiled and asked. So, Khushi smiled and asked to that honeybee, Arey, who are you, friend? You make this buzzing sound. So, that sound was attracting Khushi and Khushi smilingly asked honeybee that who are you? I am honeybee. So, honeybee replied, I am honeybee. I make honey. I suck flower nectar and fill it in a small sack in my stomach. So, honeybee replied that my name is honeybee. I am honeybee and I make honey. How I make honey? I suck flower nectar and fill it in a small sack in my stomach. This nectar produces thin honey in my stomach. You must have seen my comb. So, honeybee was now talking to Khushi and honeybee also gave her introduction and she told that I am honeybee and I make honey and she told the process of making honey. तो मधुमक्खी ने खुशी को बताया कि कैसे वो शहद बनाती है. उसने बताया कि मैं फूलों पर जाके उनका मकरंद चूसती हूँ और वो मेरे पेट में इकट्ठा होता है एक छोटे से सैक में और उससे ही उस नेक्टर से ही एक्चुअल में क्या बनता है, मेरे पेट में हनी बनता है यानी कि शहद बनता है. और हनीबी ने ये भी कहा, मधुमक्खी ने ये भी कहा कि खुशी तुमने मधुमक्खी का छत्ता यानी हनीकॉम्ब ज़रूर देखा होगा. तो बच्चों आपने भी मधुमक्खी का छत्ता ज़रूर देखा होगा. लेट्स मूव नेक्स्ट. यस, there is a very big honeycomb on the banyan tree near my school. So, Khushi replied, yes, I have seen honeycomb and there is a very big honeycomb on the banyan tree near my school. So, she told that there is a banyan tree and there is a big honeycomb on that banyan tree in my school. I and other honeybees pour this thin honey in the cells of the comb. So, after hearing this, honeybee replied, honeybee continued talking to Khushi and said that I and other honeybees pour this thin honey in the cells of the comb. We collect it as our food to make it thick. We fan them with our wings. So, she told the process that we collect this thin honey in the cells of the comb. We pour this thin honey in the cells of the comb and we collect it as our food. So, actually honey is the food of honeybees and to make it thick, honeybee also told Khushi that to make honey thick we fan them with our wings. For filling honey in all the cells, it takes us many months. So, honeybee also told Khushi that this is a long process, and to fill honey in all the cells, it takes many months. So, they are very laborious actually. Honeybees actually do a lot of hard work to get that honey. Arey wow, sister honeybee, you provide a sweet honey. You are so nice. So, Khushi replied, she said that, wow, sister honeybee, you are so nice. You provide that sweet honey by your hard work. So, let's see. This was about honeybee and honeycomb. Now you have to do a task. There is a task for you which you have to do and complete it. If you have observed a honeycomb in your neighborhood, then draw a picture of the same. So, dear students, if you have observed a honeycomb, if you have observed it anywhere in your school, near your home, in any of the surroundings near you, so you have to draw a picture of the honeycomb. So, this was all for this part, students. So, we will continue this chapter, flowers everywhere, in our next part. Thank you for watching.